Good morning. How are you doing today? So we're gonna make breakfast this morning, okay? It is a little past breakfast time, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do, right now I got turkey burgers in the oven. I got one turkey burger. We seasoned it with garlic powder, pepper, Mr. Dash garlic and herb. Then let's go ahead and get our eggs started. I'm making an omelet. Honestly, I didn't really have it planned. I just seen some turkey burgers. I threw that in the oven. I got me some frozen peppers and onions, right? I fried it up a little bit and I put it in there with my burger. Let's see if we can get a picture of it. Okay, we got my disposable pan. Y'all see that? A little bit of peppers and onions on the top. We in there. But let's go ahead and get my coffee started because I don't want to make my eggs quite yet. All right, let's come over this way to the coffee pot, okay? I got y'all. I do about a half a cup of water because I'm adding me some sugar and creamer in here, okay? Literally, gonna put that in there. I add a little bit of honey to my coffee. Get a little bit of sugar. Oh, you just need a little bit. Cause me, I don't like no dark coffee now. Go ahead and push your button. See, I don't have any K-cups right now, so what we gonna do? We gonna improvise, cause when you get your first apartment, you barely got anything. So we gonna bring my coffee over here. Booyah. All right, but my pots and pans did come in, you guys. Let me show y'all. Okay. All right, don't play with me. Housewarming gift, 35 pieces, only $40. 35 pieces. I got a rice cooker. I got everything I need to cook. A big pot, a little pot, 2 frying pans. Literally, I got all of this. Where did I get it from? Bed Bath & Beyond. My sister got it for me, okay? Don't play. All of these. I got 4 Tupperware bowls and a little rice cooker or strainer. Y'all, you cannot beat that. $40 to get everything you need. You can't beat that. Okay. So, I'm gonna get a little bit of peppers and onions. Go ahead and have these cooking so I can add to my omelet. Okay. You see that? I just need a little bit. Go ahead. I'm gonna start it off on 8 and then I'll turn it down. Cause I really don't want to make my eggs quite yet. Cause my burger, I haven't even flipped it yet. Then, so I have some like French vanilla creamer, but that runs straight through me. So I'm gonna see how this almond milk do. But if you got any recommendations, what is some like natural creamers that don't make you poop? Because I be at work, I cannot be drinking all that creamer. All right, my coffee is done. We got the instant Maxwell House. You can't go wrong with this. This is what I grew up on. Do a little spoonful. Maybe just a little dab. See, and the goal is clean up as you go. My mama told me that. I'm gonna do that. Put the coffee back in the coffee thing. Go ahead and do that. Give me a little almond milk just to make my coffee the color is me. Nah, that really ain't. You know, let me see. That's terrible. We need a it's got enough coffee. I need a little bit of sugar. Okay, you need to turn your eye down on medium. Stir that. Y'all see? I think I might need to add my creamer. I just need a little tad bit of sugar. Just a little bit. Okay, and y'all see I got these eggshells went over here. Throw them away right now because we ain't got time to clean up when we get done. I'm gonna add a little bit more. See how that goes. Oh no, y'all. We need some creamer. Definitely need some creamer. Let's do this. Yeah. There we go. French vanilla. Okay. See, we got these eggs. See, honestly, that's pretty good right there. That's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it on the eye, but I'm gonna turn the eye off. Okay. Let me see how this tastes. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. So we can go ahead and season these eggs. But since I don't have one of them little silicone things, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? We don't worry about what we don't have. We improvise. Paper towel. We ain't about to get these counters too dirty. Go ahead and lay that right there. All right. We need I do a lot of pepper because I ain't using no salt. Do a lot. No, I do got a little bit of salt up in my cabinet. We're gonna do some garlic and herbs. You can't go wrong with those seasonings. You really can't. I think that'll do for now. You know, my granny told me, hit the side, hit the other side. And then that baby look like you a chef. Y'all see that? Don't play with me. So boom. I don't know if y'all like doing this, but me, I like putting everything up in the bowl. Why? I don't know. Just go ahead, let the flavors soak up in there. See, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am trying to be on my healthy stuff, but right now we're gonna use what we got, okay? Stick a blue bonnet, you can't go wrong with that. See, comment if you like country crop. I don't know, my mom always bought country crop and my granny always bought blue bonnet, so I don't know. I use both. Yeah, honestly, we're not trying to really waste that many dishes. Okay? So, I'm gonna have to wipe that off. I'm gonna wipe that off. Y'all, this is my my first breakfast in my apartment, basically. No, I'm lying. Well, I had 2 turkey burgers the other day, but I didn't have no cooking utensils. I only had that disposable pan. So we're gonna butter that. And honestly, I like to leave all of that up in there. We ain't even gotta rinse that out. Be careful, because you don't want to scratch your new pans, okay? Let that marinate. Stir that baby up in there. See, I love me some green peppers and onions, especially when they're fresh. You really don't need no seasonings. I mean, don't get me wrong, the good kind, but you don't need them unhealthy ones. All right. That burger smelling good. So what we're gonna grab some more paper towels. Why? We ain't quite yet got the mix yet. We ain't quite got there yet. So we just gonna take that baby out. Let me show y'all how this looking, because look at that. All right. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip that baby. Honestly, we probably got about another good 10 minutes for real. Cause I like mine, I like mine all the way done. Burnt basically. Okay. Put that up in there. I'll come back, you guys, with part 2. When I put my eggs on, I'm gonna come back. All right, you can never go wrong. Like for me, I like using paper plates so I don't have to wash dishes, but then you're gonna have to take the trash down. And the trash is all the way down there. So, and honestly, it makes me feel better when I use matching plates. So, Dollar Tree. We got our little mini plate, big plate for dinner, okay? Honestly, I think I'm gonna use the big plate because I got the burger too. Okay, so we're gonna get our big plate. And you see how my coffee cup matches? And then, if you did want some oatmeal or something, booyah, got you a matching bowl to go with your plate and make the food taste better, y'all. I'm not lying to y'all. Having a nice matching set of silverware and plates and dishes and whatever you want to call it. Y'all see that? I'm feeling better just cause look at this. Look at that, matching all the way around. But I will be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. We about to check these burgers. I had to clean up just a little bit. Got some clothes going. Hung up the shower curtain. Okay, we getting there. I'm gonna flip it one more time because no, I ain't even gonna flip it. I'm gonna put it back up in there. I say we got a good, probably about 7 more minutes, maybe. About 7 more minutes. But once my burger is done, I'll go ahead and make my omelet. I don't know if I'm supposed to let these eggs sit out, but it'll be all right. All right, y'all, I'm back. I just got done steaming my bed. Okay. Hopefully this is done because y'all, I'm getting hungry. And if it's not, what we gonna do? We gonna throw these eggs on. Oh yeah, we getting there. See y'all, this is how I like mine to look. Let me show y'all because if you gonna cook for me, look at that. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it one more time. Oh yeah. To get that little brownness on the top. Now we can go ahead and start with the eggs, y'all. I don't call myself no chef, but today I am. I'm gonna warm that up a bit. Go ahead and get your eye hot. We already got our butter in there. I got it on 8 right now. See, honestly, I can go ahead and put this up. You know how we say we're gonna clean up as we go? Go ahead and put that butter up. All right, wait till that butter liquefies, and then you can turn the eye down just a little bit. I'm looking for more coffee. right, we're gonna go ahead and pour our eggs in there. Finally. Oh. Let's go ahead and rinse our bowl out because we don't want to have any dishes because we just washed them. A little bit of soap. And see, y'all, this scrub daddy, y'all can't see me. I'm going to show y'all. I got the scrub daddy with the sponge and the little thing and the rough part. You need a dab of Dawn. That's all you need, just a dab. Because this makes the suds better. See what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and wash that bowl out. Let it dry. See, fork clean. Put that up. We already getting somewhere. I do want to turn it down though. We're gonna turn it down to 6. Look how nice that looks. Y'all can't see it. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Y'all see how nice that look? You see how them edges are already lifting because I had that butter up in there. We got the eye. See, what I like to do, I like to go around and get all of that extra. All of that extra yolk. Go ahead and get that around them edges. So when you flip it, it don't be too liquidy. Y'all see that? See, there's barely any liquid. So by the time we flip it, y'all see how quick that egg took? I should have waited a little bit. I wish I could just, but I'm not about to waste another pan. So we can see how we flip this. Get up under there. Ooh, that wasn't too bad. Perfect. Now I'm about to put that baby on 4. Now I got it on like 4.5. Let it sit. So by the time I get my plate ready, see, go ahead and turn your oven off because I always forget to turn my oven off. How? The last 2 times I made these burgers, I forgot. But I got it this time. That's perfect. That is perfect. Your plate placement is very important. Well, to me it's important because I want mine to look pretty. Okay. Go ahead and get that extra peppers. You need them. Perfect. Now I'm about to turn the eye off. The eye's off right now, y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm the crispy type person. I want a little crunch to everything. Go ahead and rinse this out. So I got a garbage disposal now, y'all. So what we about to do? Turn it on. Don't judge me, y'all. This is my disposable pan. This is my first cooking utensil. Okay. Put some water up in there. Put a little dab of soap and let it soak, okay? You can throw some bleach in there too if you want. Well, I don't even know why I turned the garbage disposal on. Oh, yes I do because I poured that stuff in there. Put a little bit of bleach. See, honestly, the best thing to do with bleach is put it in like an empty Dawn container, but I don't have one yet, so we gonna go ahead. And honestly, I'm gonna let that soak. And the goal is to clean this before I go to work. So when I get home, we good. We still got our omelet. So now we're about to go ahead and put our omelet on the plate. Very nice. About to go ahead and rinse that out. See, honestly, I can go ahead and wash this pan now, okay? Because I don't want to have to do too much before I go to work. Go ahead and wash that pan. I'm gonna let it dry. And honestly, since we at it, I might as well just go ahead and wash this pan while I'm at it. Because I don't want to do too much before I go to work. I just want to chill. Because I close tonight, y'all. And see, we gonna use this baby till the wheels fall off. That's what we're gonna do with that. Squeeze it out real good because you don't want your sponges to be. See, I'm gonna get a little caddy right here so I can just stick my sponge. But for now, it's gonna go on the back of the sink. And see, I'm rinsing this with cold water. My middle school best friend, she put me on. The suds go away with cold water. And you make suds with warm water. Alright, we're just gonna let that drain in the sink. So all of the dishes are clean, y'all. That was the goal. The goal was to clean the kitchen as we go. And I think I did pretty good. Now it's time to eat. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Then we about to go over here to the table. Well, you guys, I thank you for watching me, and try this at home. Try this at